This pizza was made in the Gozney dome using fire. Stick around and find out how it was made. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and if you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be making a pepperoni pizza in the Gozney dome using fire. Go ahead and take a look at the previous video up above. I'll go ahead and also link my dough recipe. As you can see here, this is a 48-hour dough recipe. And so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just flop that into my semolina. Get some of that semolina off, and then we're going to go ahead and go with a stretch. We're doing about a 12-inch pizza. Again, we're using the Gozney dome. We're using wood, so again, this is a wood-baked pizza in the Gozney dome. Again, check out the previous video on how I set up the dome to use wood. Check out the links down below. Definitely helps on my channel. And what do you think? Are you team firewood or team propane? Go and like the video, comment down below. So we're going down with our sauce first. This is again some Bianco di Napoli tomatoes that I like to use. Again, that will be linked down below. We do 1 ladle, and then we're going to go down with some fresh mozzarella cheese. This is just about a handful and a little bit more. And going down with our pepperonis, or the Hormel puff and crisp pepperonis. I like to use these ones. It gives off a little bit of greasiness, a little crispiness, and again, it just cups up nicely. Retains some of that grease, so it's a good little pepperoni to use. And we're going to go ahead and put on some semolina onto our pill and get this stretched onto there. Again, this is about a 12-inch pill, so this will make again 12-inch pizza. So you're just making sure that you get it to about that size, and we're going to go straight into the oven. And so again, it is windy today, so that is why I'm doing a voiceover. But again, as you can see on the far right hand side, we got a full flame going on. You can see that flame going over the pizza, and it's not going to take too long. So we're just going to be making sure that we're watching the closest edge to the flame to make sure that it doesn't burn. And again, with this using wood, it's giving off a nice crispy, and it just overall gives the crust just a different texture. Not so much of a wood flavor, but again, you can definitely tell the difference from using propane to using wood. So again, if you're more interested in using wood, check out my previous videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of more wood pizzas here. Maybe we'll make some other different items in the oven. So yeah, comment down below. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what else we can make using wood as well. And so let's go ahead and get a first spin. As you can see, it is browning nicely, and when it was closest to the flame, again, you can see that crust there getting a little cooked, cooking up nicely. The crust is rising, so again, it's looking really good. The stone is nice and hot. And that bottom's looking nice. See that flame coming right at you. So we're pretty close to finishing up here, just this last area here. Looking pretty close to finishing up, and we're done here. So we're going to go ahead and get this pizza right inside as this is cooked. Alright, take a look at this pizza, nice brown all the way around. Let's take a look at the bottom, looking nice and cooked. So we'll let this cool down. We'll get into a cut of this pizza. I wish you could listen to that crust. Alright, so now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go ahead and let's get into a cut of this. Again, this was a pepperoni pizza cooked in the Gozney dome using wood. Again, all links down will be down below as well. So Let's go ahead and get a cut into this pizza. Crust feels nice, crispy, it's airy. Using my Gozney cutter as well. And we'll get this slice. It's tasting really, really good. Again, you're getting mozzarella, it's melted, the crispiness from the pepperoni, the greasiness. Again, there's just a nice crisp to it. It's light, it's airy. Overall, just an awesome bake. Again, this was in the Gozney dome using wood. So if this is something you guys like, check out my other videos on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, turn that bell notification to be notified when I make new videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.